Hello, my dear students. How are you? In fact, you are my true friends, right? I'm not a teacher here. I teach you like a friend here in an interesting way. Okay. So, today, what we are going to study? We are going to study lesson 9 of your E.V.S book, that is cooking food. Okay. So, should we start with it? First of all, I'm going to start with section A, and that is question 1. Name two food items that are eaten raw. Answer: cucumber and carrot. You like to eat both of these things? Yeah, really very yummy and nutritious also. Healthy for you. Okay. Number 2. Name three different ways of cooking food. First is boiling. See here the picture? It is boiling. Water is boiling here. This is a way of cooking food. Second is baking. See, the girl is so happy to bake the cake. You like to eat cake? Okay. Now, third is roasting. Do you like paneer tikka? So, paneer tikka is being roasted here. Okay, so these are the three different ways of cooking food: boiling, baking, and roasting. Now we come to MCQs, multiple choice questions. Okay, ready for that? Okay. Multiple choice questions, tick the correct answer. Okay, you just think over it. I'll tell you the answer here. First, the fuel required in the chula is LPG, kerosene, or wood. Three options are here, students. The correct answer is wood. So, fuel, what is the fuel? Which is fuel is required in chula? That is wood is required in chula. Now, second one. We must wash fruits and vegetables before cutting, after cutting, or while cutting. Yes, the answer is before cutting. Yes. And what happens if you wash after cutting the fruits and vegetables? Many minerals and vitamins get washed away. So we should wash before cutting. So now come to number 3. The utensil required to make chapati is pressure cooker, griddle, or saucepan. The correct answer is griddle. See here in the picture, he is making parantha or chapati on the griddle. So the correct answer is griddle, not the pressure cooker nor saucepan. Number 4. Which of the following foods need to be cooked before eating? A. Pumpkin and lady's finger, orange and banana, nuts and apple. The correct answer is pumpkin and lady's finger. You like to eat both of these vegetables? I like to eat them. Okay. Now C part, fill in the blanks. Okay. First, cooking kills the dash that may be present in raw food. Second, dash is cooked by roasting. Third, we cook rice by dash. We cook dosas and parathas by dash. Okay. Now the answers first. Cooking kills the germs that may be present in raw food. So all foods can't be eaten raw. So there are many eating things that we have to cook before eating it, so that these can be digested and that kills the germs also. See, the lady is cooking the food. Now, second one, chapati. Chapati is cooked by roasting. See here, wow, puff chapati. Looks yummy. Now applying butter on it, or ghee, you can say, clarified ghee. Now, third one, we cook rice by boiling. See here in the picture. So yummy. Seems so yummy. I like to eat rice. Number 4, we cook dosas and parathas by shallow frying. See, in the both of the pictures, you can see in this picture, paratha is being shallow fried, and in this picture, dosa is being shallow fried. Here, non-stick has been used, and here another griddle is used. Okay. Now D part, circle the odd one in each group. Give a reason for your answer. See here, There are three groups basically, students. In first group, there are apple, grapes, banana, and carrot. So what do you think? Which is the odd one? Second group, puris, pakoras, rice, and French fries. And third, roasting, cooling, boiling, and baking. So the answer is in the first group, carrot is the odd one out. Why? You have to give the reason also. Because apple, grapes, and bananas, these three are the fruits, and carrot is a vegetable. Okay. Now second one is puris, pakoras, rice, and French fries. I have circled rice. Why? Because these three things, French fries, pakoras, and puris, these are fried in some oil. Okay. And rice is boiled. So rice is the odd one out in the second group. Now third one, roasting, cooling, boiling, baking. Roasting, boiling, baking, these are the three cooking methods. And while cooking, it is not the cooking method. Okay. See here, he is enjoying eating noodles. Wow. Now section B. A part, very short answer questions. Think, students, you have to answer. You have to think about the right answer. Otherwise, I am going to tell you. First, name the fuel used in pressure stove. That is kerosene oil. Do you see it at your home in the kitchen? No. In olden times, it was very much used in every house, almost in every house. These are called pressure stoves. And kerosene oil is used in it. Second question. Name the method used for cooking puris and pakoras. Deep frying. Yes, this is the method. See here in the clip, you can see the cutlets or something is been deep fried. Okay. Now, short answer questions. That is a B part of your book, of your exercise. In this first question, why do we need food? The answer is first, we all need food to live. Second, it gives us energy to work and play. Third, it is essential for our growth. And the last one is it keeps us healthy and protect us from diseases. So these are the reasons why do we need food. Okay. Now, second question. Why do we wash fruits and vegetables before cutting them? The answer is we wash fruits and vegetables before cutting them because when we wash them after cutting, many vitamins and minerals get washed away. Now, third question. Name one kitchen utensil made of the following: steel and wood. So, spoon is made of steel. And second is rolling pin. Rolling pin is made of wood. See, she is rolling, she is using rolling pin and rolling a chapati. Okay. Number now C part, long answer questions. First, why do we need to cook food? This is the A part. Then B part lists three food items that need to be cooked before eating. So A part, why do we need to cook food? Cooking makes food tasty and easy to digest. Also, cooking kills the germs that may be present in raw food. Now, B part lists three food items that need to be cooked before eating. Means you can't eat these food items raw. These are rice, potato, pulses, and many more are there. Second, why do we keep food in refrigerator? We keep food in refrigerator to avoid wastage of cooked food because it remains fresh for some time in it. Third, now next, list the steps for making lemonade. The steps are mix sugar and water. It's very easy. You can also try at home if your mother gives you permission. Second step is add lemon juice, and then next is strain it, and the last part is the lemonade is ready. It is ready to drink. You like to drink lemonades? Very yummy. I really like to drink it. In summers, I really relish these drinks. So many shakes, lemonades are there. I really love to drink them. Now, D part application based question. Oh my god, the rabbit is confused. No, it's not tough. Ankit wants to make a cake for his mother's birthday. Which cooking method will he use to make it? Answer is Ankit will bake the cake. Yes, of course, the cake is always baked in a microwave or an oven. Okay, see here, he's so happy he has baked a cake for his mother's birthday. Now, the lesson comes to an end here. I hope you enjoyed learning the lesson cooking food with me. So, see you soon in the next video. Keep watching. Take care. Bye bye.